How y'all doing today? Child, look, just look at this. Look at my birthday weekend. I don't care what they say, baby. No matter that we winter babies, we don't do this. Okay? Love y'all. Have a blessed and beautiful weekend.